Hey guys. Hey, I wanted to come to you because I've watched two videos recently that made me want to make this video and share my thoughts and intentions with you all. Travis over at GirlzLawn made a video in which Brian over at Turf Mechanic made a response video. Both of these videos are very thought-provoking. I will link them both in the description below in case you haven't seen them. Now, to Travis and Brian, please know that this video was made because you provoked a lot of thought and inspiration. So I wanted to share that with my audience. So here we go. Here's my deal. First and foremost, I do this lawn care thing because I love it. When I first started, I got sucked into the pit of trying the latest and greatest products and equipment, and I did lose some focus along the way. At the end of last year, I prioritized and regained my focus in order to get back to what I love. I love taking care of the lawn. I love content creation. I love helping the lawn community, and I love communicating with you all. As an introvert, I love virtual communication. I've been able to connect with people and have great conversations within my comfort zone. I would definitely say that doing this has enhanced my life. Now, I get a lot of feedback and questions about my affiliate involvement. Now, I understand the concern that people have about that, but all I can do is honestly tell you that I will not present any product or equipment to you that I have not personally had success with. I have a consulting business, and therefore the affiliate commission goes into the business, and I truly see nothing wrong with that. What I need for you all to understand is that I'm only presenting the products and equipment and how they have helped me. I am 100% not telling you to purchase said product, because the one thing that you should always keep in mind when watching lawn care creators is that what works for them may not necessarily work for you. It's not guaranteed. So many of the products from all of the different companies are exactly the same thing, just packaged differently. For me, as far as selecting which companies I work with, it is a matter of choosing the companies that I enjoy working with, and I believe in the product because it's worked for me. I've declined working with many companies because I've either used the product and it was not good, or I've read really bad reviews on their company or their product. The choice ultimately is yours. I only hope that me sharing my experience is helpful to you if you are trying to make a determination on a specific product or piece of equipment. Ultimately, guys, a soil test, water, fertilizer, and maybe some soil conditioners will be what you need to get a nice lawn. I'm a strong believer in having the right equipment for the job as well. But the rest, it's bells and whistles. And you decide how far you want to go. Yes, I have a lawn care business to run and a family that I prioritize, but I hope that I have been successful in sharing the ups and downs and the goods and bads of the lawn care game with you all. I really enjoy the creation, I enjoy the community and the interactions and feedback. Now, I'm not the most eloquent speaker, so if you have time, check out Travis and Brian's videos. They make some really great thought-provoking points about what lawn care should be.